The 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air Hellcat is one of those vehicles that merges history with modern muscle. This car is not just a tribute to the classic Bel Air, it's a bold new interpretation that brings together two icons of automotive design and performance. With the Hellcat engine under the hood, it's clear that this car is not for the faint of heart. It's a statement, a car that refuses to blend in and one that pushes boundaries both in terms of performance and design. But let's step back and explore what makes the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air Hellcat such a compelling machine, why it's capturing the attention of car enthusiasts worldwide, and what makes it stand out in today's automotive landscape. First, let's talk about the name. The Chevrolet Bel Air was a groundbreaking car in the 1950s. It was a symbol of American automotive innovation, with its bold styling, high-performance variants, and a promise of luxury combined with utility. The original Bel Air became a cultural icon, representing an era of prosperity, optimism, and forward-thinking design. Fast forward to 2026, and Chevrolet has decided to revive this legend, but with a twist. They've paired the Bel Air name with one of the most powerful engines in the muscle car world, the legendary Hellcat. The Hellcat name comes from Dodge, known for its supercharged Hemi V8 engines that deliver ridiculous horsepower figures. But in this unique Chevrolet offering, the Bel Air Hellcat brings that same ferocity to the table, offering a unique blend of vintage aesthetics with modern muscle car aggression. With this combination, it's easy to see why car enthusiasts are salivating at the thought of what's under the hood and beyond. Under the sleek and retro-inspired design of the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air Hellcat lies a 6.2-liter supercharged Hemi V8 engine that generates a staggering 717 horsepower and 656 lb-ft of torque. This powerhouse engine is mated to an 8-speed automatic transmission, capable of delivering raw, unbridled performance. When you push the gas pedal, you're not just accelerating, you're experiencing a mechanical beast coming to life. The acceleration figures are jaw-dropping, with a 0 to 60 miles per hour time of just 3.6 seconds, making it one of the quickest muscle cars on the road. But it's not just about speed. Chevrolet has worked tirelessly to ensure that the 2026 Bel Air Hellcat is a car that's not only fast in a straight line but also handles with grace and precision. It's equipped with an independent rear suspension that helps to keep the car stable at high speeds and gives it a much smoother ride compared to older muscle cars that were often criticized for their harsh ride quality. The handling is further enhanced by an advanced traction and stability control system that helps keep the car planted even when you're pushing it to the limits. While the powertrain and performance of the 2026 Bel Air Hellcat are undoubtedly impressive, it's the design that really sets this car apart. The Bel Air Hellcat retains the classic 1950s silhouette, but it's been reimagined for a modern audience. The front grille is bold and aggressive, with sharp lines that emphasize the car's muscular stance. The headlamps are sleek and modern, while the overall profile of the car features a long, flowing body that exudes elegance and sophistication, blending both vintage and contemporary elements seamlessly. The rear of the car is equally stunning, with a muscular rear haunch and an iconic rear light design that pays homage to the original Bel Air. The classic tail fins are present, but they've been subtly modernized, giving the car an unmistakable silhouette that's both timeless and futuristic. The entire exterior is coated in high-gloss paint, with custom color options that range from deep metallic blues to classic reds and whites, making sure the car looks as stunning as it performs. Step inside, and you're greeted by a cabin that mixes vintage charm with modern luxury. The dashboard layout is inspired by the 1950s, with a large speedometer and tachometer that are beautifully retro but equipped with digital displays for modern functionality. The interior is bathed in leather upholstery, with seating that's both comfortable and supportive. The iconic bench seats of the original Bel Air are here, but with a modern twist, they're more ergonomic, with memory foam technology that makes long drives feel like a breeze. The center console houses a massive infotainment system, complete with a touchscreen, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and an integrated navigation system. The audio system is designed by Bose, providing crystal-clear sound, whether you're cruising down a highway or blasting through winding roads. The climate control system is also top-notch, ensuring that no matter the weather, the cabin remains a perfect temperature. One of the standout features of the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air Hellcat is its emphasis on driver engagement. The car comes equipped with a performance-focused digital display that provides real-time data on things like G-forces, lap times, and even the temperature of key engine components. It's a car designed for driving enthusiasts who appreciate the raw thrill of the road. Whether you're cruising through the city, taking a weekend road trip, or carving corners on a racetrack, the Bel Air Hellcat offers a driving experience like no other. Safety is also a priority for Chevrolet with the 2026 Bel Air Hellcat. The car comes with a suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a rear-view camera system. The vehicle is also equipped with a robust airbag system and reinforced body structure to protect occupants in the event of an accident. While the Bel Air Hellcat is undoubtedly a high-performance car, it doesn't compromise on safety, making it a car that you can enjoy with peace of mind. Safety is also a priority for Chevrolet with the 2026 Bel Air Hellcat. The car comes with a suite of advanced safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, automatic emergency braking, and a rear-view camera system. The vehicle is also equipped with a robust airbag system and reinforced body structure to protect occupants in the event of an accident. While the Bel Air Hellcat is undoubtedly a high-performance car, it doesn't compromise on safety, making it a car that you can enjoy with peace of mind. When it comes to pricing, the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air Hellcat is undoubtedly a premium offering. With a starting price of around $75,000, it's not a car for just anyone, it's a car for those who want to experience the pinnacle of muscle car performance, with a level of luxury and refinement that's rarely seen in this segment. For the price, you're getting not just a car but an experience and opportunity to own a piece of automotive history while enjoying some of the most cutting-edge performance technology available today. One of the things that make the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air Hellcat so special is the way it pays homage to the past while looking toward the future. Chevrolet has taken the iconic design of the original Bel Air and infused it with modern technology and engineering. The result is a car that feels familiar but is undeniably futuristic. It's a car that captures the spirit of American muscle, while also offering the refinement and sophistication expected of a modern performance vehicle. Chevrolet has also promised that the 2026 Bel Air Hellcat will be a limited edition model, with only a select number of units being produced each year. This means that the Bel Air Hellcat will not just be a car, it will be a collectible. In the coming years, this car will likely appreciate in value, becoming a sought-after gem for collectors who want to own a piece of automotive history. With its unique combination of power, design, and rarity, the Bel Air Hellcat is sure to be a vehicle that will turn heads for years to come. If you're in the market for a muscle car that offers blistering performance, modern luxury, and a dash of nostalgia, the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air Hellcat should be at the top of your list. It's a car that offers everything you could ask for in a modern muscle car, with the added benefit of being a tribute to one of the most iconic names in automotive history. Whether you're a diehard fan of the original Bel Air or just a fan of raw power and stunning design, this car has something for everyone. So, the 2026 Chevrolet Bel Air Hellcat stands as a testament to what happens when you take the essence of classic American muscle, blend it with modern engineering, and package it in a way that appeals to today's performance car enthusiasts. It's a vehicle that captures the spirit of the past while embracing the future. With its blend of power, design, and technology, the Bel Air Hellcat is a car that will leave an indelible mark on the automotive world. So, buckle up, because this is a ride you won't forget.